What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This video we're going to be taking a look at a kick-butt, high-quality, rugged TriFolio case for your iPhone XS. This also works on the iPhone X. So if you haven't upgraded to the XR, X Max, XS, then this will work for you if you're still an iPhone X user. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the box. You can see here this is a TriFolio case. This is from Horween, made from Horween leather. Quality leather since 1905. Holds up to 8 cards and 2 cash slots. So a lot of options with this guy. Very nice packaging, as with all Nomad products. Designed for adventure at Nomad Goods. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now they have it in 2 colors. I happily have the black, but you can get it in a tan color as well. As you can see here, I have been using this for a little over 2 weeks now, just so I can give a good review of the case and what my thoughts are of it. Let it also wear in a little bit. It's pretty rugged when you get it out, and you want to see how it's going to patina and take the abuse and whatever. And I can say after 2 weeks, this is becoming one of my favorite cases to have on my phone. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. As you can see, it does not add a whole lot of thickness. Now at first, when I first got this out, boy, this was not wanting to close. It was sticking up like to here, and it was like, oh wow. But it's actually calmed down quite a bit with usage. And as you can see, all your ports, everything, very accessible. Very nice, generous opening here for Lightning. So if you have some of those different cables besides Apple, haven't had a problem with any of them yet. Of course, you've got the options here and on the side here for your buttons. Still pretty easy to get to. As you can see, I just turned it on vibrate and off vibrate. Volume rockers, all that stuff works fairly well. And you can see you can get a nice little fold there for the trifold. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this has to offer. And you can see the camera has no problems either. It is actually recessed in there fairly nicely to protect that lens. So if you lay it down like this, the camera is not getting scratched. You can see it's get a little patina and wear on it, and that's what you want, and it looks good still. So let's go ahead and flip it open to option 1. So you've got, basically now it's just a folio at this point, and you've got a little cash slot. Got like a gift card. You can put an ID card, whatever, in there. Cash needs to fold up a little bit tighter in here. If I try to do this in a half style fold, it fits, but it kind of gets in the way of your fold here, and sticks out a little bit, but not bad. So this is just in the folio style. Now let's tri-fold this bad boy out, and now you can see I've got a pretty good setup here. We've got another cash slot. Now this one seems a little bit deeper. I've just put a half fold bill in there, and it works well. You can put papers, whatever, business cards that you acquire in this slot inside here. So you've got 2 nice slots. Then you've got, this will hold 2 cards per slot pretty easily. So you can see here, it says this holds up to 8, which you can, 2, 4, 6, 8. You can get about 2 in each one, and you can easily access them, easily put them back in like so. This is a nice kind of microfiber interior to this case, but when you fold it up and you do this, your leather actually is what's touching your screen. And what I have noticed is, if you can see this at all, it does leave, let me shut the phone screen, it does kind of leave a little bit of a film, and I don't know if that's because this was a vegetable tanned leather and it's a little oily, but I do seem to have, you can see that, those kind of markings on the screen every now and then from the leather actually touching my iPhone screen. Now when it comes to protection, you can see there, that's pretty much covered. There's not much of a lip on the case, so your screen is fairly protected and your iPhone's protected. And this is a rugged one, so it's got a nice protection, hard shell around your phone, and will be able to absorb some drops pretty easily. So it does add nice protection, and it does add nice usability. I mean, you can replace your wallet with this guy and just take your phone and have everything you need in your phone case or your wallet case for your phone. When you're talking on your phone, This flips back pretty easy, doesn't really get in the way, so didn't have any problems really. You know, sometimes you got those flaps that just keep getting in your way when you're talking on the phone, but that folds back pretty easily and stays back there nicely. So it hasn't really caused me any problems with the usability of my phone. So that, guys, is the rugged TriFolio Horween leather case from Nomad. And I gotta say, if you're looking for a wallet style, folio style case for your iPhone, then this is a good line. One of the better ones that I've come across, and I've reviewed several. So check the show notes. I'll have a link to where you can pick this up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the show, and as always, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one.